Okay, a very good afternoon to all of you. I hope people are going to join soon. Otherwise, we are going to start with your program. Last time लिंक लिस्ट का जो प्रोग्राम हमने बनाया था, प्लीज उसे खोल के रखिए. We are going to continue with that. We are going to continue with the operations. So आपके पास वो फाइल होनी ही चाहिए. Okay, I cannot wait anymore. Fine. I'm presenting my screen. Once you see it, please acknowledge. I hope it is visible. Fine. So today we are going to see your practical number 7, that is operations on your singly linked list. I told you everyone that in our last session that please save that. Okay. We had worked on how to create first of all the singly linked list. Okay, and now today we are going to do the operations on the existing singly linked list. So that program should be there with you. I hope everybody is having that program. Yes or no? Yes or no? Do you have that program with you or not? Okay, cool. So only one student is having, just Bhavdeep. What about others? Isha, Janvi, Hitesh, Nidhi, Kev, Sushil Prasad. What about you guys? You don't have? Okay. All right, fine. Because see, this time, I am not going to code for you. You guys have to code. I will direct you how you can code, but that coding part is to be done by you. Fine. So the very first thing, okay, you must have written a code something like this. Let me open my code. SLL. Do I have it for your class? Yes. Okay. This was done. This part was done of creating a node and linking it with the head node and linking the rest of the remaining nodes. This much you guys must have done. Printf, scanf, want to continue and all. Fine. So now what you are going to do is, for traversal we had written one code. Okay. Count we have not written. This was discussed in your theory session. Okay, so I'm just commenting it here. All right, now what you are going to do, now our aim for today's lab is we are going to implement the maximum operations of this. Okay, if we are able to finish all 6, then well and good. We will come, you guys will come in at equal stage with batch A and B. Okay, I'm going to start this practical number 8, but if we complete it in today's lab. Okay, these all 6 of them. So we'll start with the first one, insert node at the front of your linked list. Now when we are going to discuss this, I'm going to keep one more Excel file in front of you. Lab session. Wait, this is my Word file. Okay. All right, not this one. We have here delete. Okay. Insertion operation of DLLs. Alright, so basically I have removed them. Is that so? Yes, we have done delete operations. Fine. Okay, no problem. I'll open up the algorithms for you. Okay, so see, we are going to start with your insertion in your SLL, new node inserted at the beginning. All right, so that is the first thing, insert a node at the front of your linked list. So according to that algorithm, we have already seen the steps. Okay, so see how you are going to approach your program. Here in your program, how you are going to approach it after you have written this traversal part. Okay, everybody must have written this traversal part. Now what you are going to do, you are going to give choice of further operations. Okay, that is what you are going to give. Now in that choice, what you are going to take, you are going to declare some variables, that is integer c and integer ch. Okay, c you are going to initialize with value 1 because many of yours compilers are not working with just c. Okay, so like this. Now go for a while loop. While c, okay, inside that give one printf statement to print your menu. Okay, you have to print this whole menu, all the 6. Insert in the beginning, insert at the end. Insert in linked list, ascending order, delete from beginning, delete from specific position before, delete from the specific position after. Okay, like this you have to give total 6 menus. Okay, operations. So those printf statements you are going to write here. Okay, inside the structure of this while loop. End of while. Okay, in this printf you are going to write choose the choice of operation. Fine, that is what you are going to write. And please do not forget your slash n's. Here again you are going to write printf statement. Printf statement will consist of your menus. Okay, so slash n slash t. Number 1, insert at beginning. Okay, right now we are dealing with just this one. So we are just going to go for insert at the beginning. And one more, if you want to write, you can write it here as slash n slash t. Number 2 is what? Display. Okay, so 2 cases. Fine. You are going to scan the choice. So scanf percentage d, and you are going to keep it in variable ch, which I have taken, and you are going to call your switch case. So switch ch passed. Okay, here do not forget to write end of switch. Okay, now case 1, insert at begin. Okay, and break. And your case 2 is your display function. And break. Okay, you can write a default also if you feel like. Default printf invalid choice. Okay, this thing is done. Now what you are going to do, you are going to declare all these user defined function. So go up here and go and declare your user defined functions. So obviously insert in the beginning is my void type. So oh, to avoid any confusions, just go and copy paste the name. Alright, otherwise again there will be some kind of errors which we don't want. And void display. Okay, so we know that we have to now write 2 functions, insert at the beginning and display. Display we already have it with us ready, so just go and define it. And what you can do for display, copy this traversal one. Okay, the logic for this traversal, copy it and place it inside your display. So that marks your display function. So one function is done. Okay, one thing done. Now after that, what you have to go and make, insert at the beginning. So void type insert at the beginning. Now see, according to our algorithm here, let me split my screen for you. See, according to my algorithm, what I should do, my step number 1, 2 and 3 are for new node. Okay. So allocate the memory for the new node. Alright. So new node is equals to struct node star malloc size of again struct node. Okay, so you allocated. So step number 1, 2, 3 done. Now what I have to do, I have to give the data part. So again a printf statement, printf enter the data for the new node. Okay, whatever I'm getting as data, I'm going to store it percentage d, and I'm going to store it in my new node data part. Okay, so new node data. Okay, now what I have to do, now I have to give the next part the address of start. Why? Because this new node I am going to insert at the beginning of my existing single linked list. Okay, so new node of next is equals to my head, whatever the value is there, and head I am going to update to my new node. Done. Your algorithm is finished. Implement this one. I'm keeping this, and if you have any doubt, please do tell me here. See, students, one more thing. I'm not connected with a second device of mine today. Okay, so when I'm working on the screen and anywhere if you are getting doubt, then kindly unmute yourself and ask the doubt. Okay, otherwise I'll have to see like this chat every time. So if you are having any doubt, you are requested that you unmute yourself and talk to me. Fine, just for today. Quickly implement this case. Come on. Case 1. New node to be inserted at the beginning. You have time till 12:30. Okay. We have to be a little bit time oriented in this lab, particularly. And give you time till 12:30. By 12:30, you should be able to finish your case 1. If anybody has done, you can also tell me here. Okay, I'll just check your program and then we can move forward. Don't just sit in front of your screens.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am, inserting is done.
done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Is it working?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. We'll just wait for a few minutes for others to finish. Anybody else who has finished? Apart from, I guess it was Bhavdeep.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. But keep a tab on the timing is also okay on the watch just for this practical. Okay, students finished or not? Okay, I will look at your programs once I finish all the insertions. Okay. See, the next one is insert the node at the end of the linked list. Okay. Now what we want to insert this node at the end of my existing linked list. Now see, how can you identify that you have reached the end of your linked list? Just discussing the theory first. How can you identify that you have reached the end of your linked list? Anyone? Come on, guys. Singly linked list. End. How can you identify that you have reached the end? What is that one specific property? Correct. The next pointer is having the null value, terminating value, null value. So here, in this particular operation, what you are going to do? You are going to traverse till the end point. Okay, you are going to traverse till the end of your linked list with the help of a pointer. Okay, once that pointer reaches, you are going to go and insert the node. How? See. New node to be inserted at the end. So again, these first 4 steps are going to remain the same. What you need to do, go to your case now again. Now case 2 is not display. Okay, now number 2 is what? You can write here, insert at end. Okay, that is your number 2 /n/t. Display is your number 3. Fine. So here also, what you are going to do, you are going to write here case 2. Okay. Insert at end. Fine. And break. That's display is now your case 3. Fine. Now what you are doing? Now just copy this, insert at end, the name, so that there is no errors. Declare your user defined function, that is void insert at the end, and go and define it now. So after here, insert at end. Okay. Now see, I told you first four steps are remaining common. So you can copy this whole. Okay, this is done. Now what you have to do? Now see the algorithm. Now in the algorithm you will traverse. You will traverse ptr equal to start, ptr of next, not null. If it is not null, ptr of next is not null, you have to move your ptr. So again you have written this traversal. See here. So you can again copy this thing. You have already written it. See, I'm doing a less shortcuts for you. Okay, though this is not advisable, but fine. This is what you are going to do. Okay, what you are doing? Reaching the last node of SLN. Fine. So take a pointer, point it towards head. Till pointer of next is not equal to null, you are going to move your pointer. Okay, so there will be a stage where your pointer will be pointing to the last node of your already existing singly linked list. Once it reaches that last node, what it should do? You are going to update ptr of next equal to new node. Okay, so what you are going to do is ptr of next is equal to new node, because this new node is going to be our last node. Yeah, one more thing, because we know that this new node is definitely going to be the last node, so you are going to give its value, next pointer value, as 0. Okay, what you are doing? Linking here at this code, linking the existing last node with new last node. Okay, this marks the end. Simple. Okay, ptr of next equal to new node and exit. Got it, everybody? I'm keeping this for you. Okay, see, the previous steps are going to remain the same only, so you don't need these steps now. The only change is from step 5 till 9. Alright, I'm giving you 5 minutes to complete this. Complete it quickly.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, Modi.
Ma'am, I'm facing a issue.
Show me a screen. Visible.
Ma'am, actually, it is not entering the while loop. This choice one.
Okay, while C is equal to what you have given? Initially you are given C is equals to 0 you have given. Bhavdeep, you have to comment all those
Yes, ma'am.
functions which we have not yet implemented.
Yes, ma'am. Now it's showing.
Okay. Start doing your case number 2 that is insert at the end.
Yes, ma'am.
Students, you have 5 minutes to do it, okay? And here is the algorithm for the same. And if anyone is facing any kind of an issue, please tell me. Just don't wait for others to discuss that same thing. Yes,
मैम एरर आ रही है.
दिखाओ.
मैम विजिबल
हाँ.
only सारी एरर आ रही है.
Conflicting types of head. Head 2 बार लेंगे. यहाँ पे सिर्फ हेड इक्वल टू 0 ऐसे मत दो निधि.
Yes मैम.
स्ट्रक नोड ये जो हेड इक्वल टू 0 है
Yes
वो
मैम.
वॉइड मेन में दे दो. और कोई एरर है दिखा दो.
मैम ये एरर एक ही सारी आ रही है. मैम मैंने जो बाहर डिक्लेयर करे ना ग्लोबली उन सब के लिए आ रही है.
बाकी सब तो वार्निंग वो तो चलेगी. और कोई रेड मार्किंग है क्या? हाँ, ये क्या है? पीटीआर अनडिक्लेयर्ड. आपने टेम्प लिया है, मैंने पीटीआर लिया है.
जो TTR को 10 से रिप्लेस कर दूँ।
हाँ, line 118.
Yes.
चेक कर लेना भी एक बार,
Yes.
ठीक है, पूरा चला के.
हाँ.
What about others? Nidhi, mute yourself. Others? Priyank, Jai, Isha, Dev, Yash, Kaif. Okay. A little bit quick. बहुत ही छोटा सा ऑपरेशन है. क्योंकि ये तीसरे वाले के बाद मैं सबकी स्क्रीन्स देखूंगी, सबकी. फिर चाहे वो आप मीटिंग में दिखाओ या फिर आप उसके स्नैपशॉट लेके मुझे व्हाट्सएप में भेजो, लेकिन मुझे देखना है, सबका देखना है मेरे को. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं मतलब बिना देखे जाने दे रही हूँ. दैट मीन्स मैं देखूंगी ही नहीं. मैं पहले से ही बोल रही हूँ. After I finish this third, we are going to finish all your insertions. So I am going to check your screens. तो बाद में मेरे को कुछ ऐसा कोई रीजन नहीं चाहिए कि मैम नहीं किया था. I was noting it down in the book. I don't want that reasons anyway. Finished, students? Yes or no? Yes, students, answer may finish or not. Come on. Enough time for case 2. You should not be taking this much of time. Okay. Others? Confirmation only from 3 students. 4. Priyank, Kef, Yash, Dev, Isha. Anyone else I'm missing out? No. Okay. Now see, the next algorithm is insert node in a linked list such that it is an ascending order. Okay. Now see what care you have to take. What is our flow till now? You are going and creating your linked list. Okay, and then you are giving the user the option that choose from the given linked list. Okay, and you are either adding in the front, excuse me, or you are adding at the end. Okay, now what you are going to do now, we are going to insert, okay, in a node in such a way that your singly linked list is in ascending order. So one thing you need to take care is what, see here in this particular question they are saying insert a node such that linked list is in ascending order according to the information field, that means your data field. Okay, according to the data field, your singly linked list should be in ascending order. Now, to tell that your singly linked list is in ascending order, you have to fill up your node data in such a manner that your singly linked list, already existing singly linked list, is present in ascending order itself, just like this. Okay, I have prepared this diagram. See, it is already in the ascending order. And what I am going to do now, I am going to create one new node. So what you guys will do is go and add one more case in your switch first of all. Okay, so here case number 3, insert ascending. Okay, that is the name. You can give any meaningful name of yours. Okay, not necessary you give the same name. Here just go and insert here to insert in ascending order /n/t. Number 4 will be my display now. Okay, again do not forget to declare it in your user defined declarations. Void done. Now go down at the very end after insert at the end. Void insert ascending. Repeat the same 4 steps of allocation of the memory. Okay, so you don't need to go and write all those steps, though it is better that right now you write it, but fine, even if you're not writing, then you can copy paste this whole thing. Okay, allocation of the memory for the new node and printing the data. Okay, so what we did actually, let's say I allocated the memory, Control C, Control V. Okay, this new node, this is my new node, equal to 200. Okay, this is not there. Data part I'm giving it as 19. Okay, now see, our question says it should be according to the info field. Okay, so I have to compare this data. I have to compare each of these data. So what I'm going to take? I'm going to take PTR and pre-PTR equal to head. Okay, so I'm going to write here while the node data, okay, new node data is greater than PTR of data. What I should do, my pre-PTR should be one node behind my PTR. Okay, and PTR should be at PTR of next. So what I'm doing, 19 comparing with 10. 19 greater than 10, yes. What I need to do, pre-PTR will remain as it is. That means pre-PTR will be here. Okay, and this PTR will move forward here. Now again check, 19 greater than 18, yes. So what I need to do, move my pre-PTR. Pre-PTR here, PTR here. Again, 19 greater than 20? No. So my while loop will stop here. Now see, now I can enter, I can make this node as part of this linked list by adding it in between. How am I going to do it? New node next is equal to PTR. Okay, so this part, this particular part is equal to PTR. What is PTR? 205. Okay, so what I did, I created this link here. Okay, I created this link. Now I have to delink this also, so that it does not point to this 205 but it points to this 200. So how am I going to delink this? Like this. See, there at this node I have pointer pre-PTR. Okay, so pre-PTR of next, because that is the value I want to update. I'll update with what? My new node. Okay, so when I go and update this, it is 200. Okay, so now it is pointing here. So see, every property of my linked list is okay, right? Fine. So how you are going to write this here in here? See, again you are going to take what? PTR is equals to head. All right. Pre-PTR is equals to PTR. Fine. Or even if you don't write it here, you write just in while loop, then also it's fine. While new node data is greater than PTR of data. What I need to do? Pre-PTR equal to PTR. Okay, and PTR is equal to PTR of next. Fine. End of while. Now what I need to do once I reach my destination or say my target area, new node of next is equal to my PTR value and pre-PTR of next is equal to my new node value. Okay, this marks the end. Got it, everybody? Any doubt anywhere?
मैम प्री पीटी और वापस नया डिक्लेयर करना पड़ेगा.
हाँ, एक और एक पॉइंटर लेना पड़ेगा. Students, once you are done, please tell me here, okay? Okay, Nidhi, could you show me all the three cases? Visible. Run the program for me.
There's one error showing.
Pre-PT or undeclared? You have must have not declared it is pre-planned.
But at last, it's always showing segmentation fault after running completely.
Go to the beginning of your program. Move little bit down.
Can you stop it?
Main function. You did not have. Nidhi, go up. You were not supposed to comment this while which you have commented.
This one.
Yes,
It was showing error again.
because you must have taken same variable names. That's why.
Yes, ma'am. I created.
I told you these operations should be done on the already existing singly linked list. So before doing this operation, there should be a singly linked list present.
Okay, okay.
ठीक करो उसको और फिर से रन करके दिखाओ. अभी स्टॉप कर दो। इवन CH में भी प्रॉब्लम हो क्योंकि CH ऑलरेडी वापस से ले लिया है तो उसको भी चेंज
यस मैम।
ठीक करो और फिर वापस से मेरे को प्रेजेंट करो।
यस मैम।
देव, निधि, म्यूट yourself. Dev, are you there or not? Students present in the session say yes, okay? Bhavdeep? Don't write in chat. Unmute yourself and say yes. Bhavdeep? Dev? Hitesh?
Yes.
Isha? Janvi?
Yes ma'am.
Kev? Nidhi is there. Priyank?
Yes, ma'am.
Sushil Prasad?
Yes, ma'am.
Yash? Okay, so no sign of Yash, Kev, Dev, and Bhavdeep is also somehow not answering right now. All four of you, there or not? Bhavdeep, Dev, Kev, and Yash. Okay. Sushil Prasad, present your screen. Okay, quickly. Isha? Present your screen. See, students, I'm not getting any photos from your end. Okay. I allow you guys to send me the photos on WhatsApp, but then I'm not getting anything. And I don't know why you guys are not presenting. Like, why are you feeling so, not very comfortable? I won't use any another word, but not very comfortable sharing your screens here. Just answering me done, yes, won't give me a assurance that you're actually doing. Because see, I'm not even getting any photos from your end. Even if I am allowing you to send me the photos, I'm not getting any. Not a single picture, even not for the output. So how am I supposed to know that you guys are actually doing the program? Oh yes, and I have not announced in your class, no, this scheme of mine. I'll do it now. And I have tomorrow the session with you? Just let me check. That day I wanted to do it, but I did not. No, tomorrow I don't have. On Thursday I have a lecture with you. Okay. In class again, you guys will hear this out. From now onwards, okay? From your practical number 7. When I take your practicals in your Google Classroom, I'm taking your practicals in the Google Classroom, right? I am, going through, I'm not evaluating your practicals yet. I am going through just opening your some random files, okay? And I came across that people are copying program from each other. Okay, not at least each other, then people are copying program from online resources. So it is easily I can make out, okay? I can make out which is the master file and which is the copied file. Because some of you might be circulating your programs also to your friends. I don't mind that. It is good that you are helping them out. But it is bad that they are taking your programs and copy pasting the same thing, okay, in the written work. And I'm not gonna let that happen from now onwards. Okay, so here is the thing. I know perfectly. I perfectly know which students are, actually doing the program, who will not face the problem here. Okay, that much judgment now I can make for you guys. Fine. So I will come to know that which student has circulated the program to other. It's okay. You can circulate. I don't mind that. Okay, but if I get 2 same copies, for example, integer values are taken same. For example, it is just for an example, it is student A and student B. Okay, student A has taken all the naming conventions, and student B is having the same naming conventions. Okay, same set of code, same set of lines. जहाँ पे फुल स्टॉप है वहीं पे फुल स्टॉप है, जहाँ पे कर्ली ब्रैकेट है वहीं पे कर्ली ब्रैकेट है. अगर ऐसा मुझे कहीं पे भी दिखा, दिस इज जस्ट एन एग्जांपल. अभी ऐसा मत बोलना कि मैडम वो तो जहाँ पे कर्ली ब्रैकेट्स आएगा वहां तो आएगा ही ना, वो तो मुझे भी पता है. I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about the program. If I find two programs exact match, तो जिसकी मास्टर कॉपी होगी ना उसको आधे मार्क्स मिलेंगे। मतलब अगर 10 मार्क्स का प्रैक्टिकल है और मुझे पता चल गया कि ये मास्टर कॉपी है तो उस स्टूडेंट को 5 मार्क्स, जिसने कॉपी किया है उसको फुल मार्क्स 10। ठीक है, दिस इज गोइंग टू बी माई इवेल्युएशन फ्रॉम नाउ ऑनवर्ड्स। क्योंकि देखो मुझे अभी तक मुझे एक मैसेज नहीं आया। ठीक है, ईशा का एक का अभी मेरे को रिसीव हुआ है, एक का आई डोंट नो, ये सुशील प्रसाद है कौन है, हाँ उसके सारे डिलीट हो गए, पता नहीं क्या किया है। ठीक है, ईशा तो आपका मिल गया मुझे। ठीक है, ये मैंने लास्ट टाइम मैं क्लास में अनाउंस करने वाली थी लेकिन मैं भूल गई थी रिगार्डिंग दिस मास्टर कॉपी एंड ऑल। आपकी लैब में मैंने कर दिया है, तो आप लोग अब से ध्यान रखना। ठीक है, आप लोग करो शेयर, कोई बात नहीं, इट्स ओके, एब्सोल्युटली फाइन, यू कैन शेयर योर होल प्रोग्राम, यू कैन टीच। अगर मेरी टीचिंग स्कीम से थोड़ा बहुत रह जाता है, नहीं समझ आता है, एक दूसरे की हेल्प लो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। लेकिन अगर सबमिशन के वक्त मेरे को 2 फाइल्स एकदम एक जैसी मिली तो पता तो चल ही जाएगा उस पर से कि किसकी मास्टर कॉपी है, तो उस स्टूडेंट के आधे मार्क्स, भले पूरा का पूरा प्रोग्राम सही लिखा है। ठीक है, ओके बहुदीप, यू कैन शेयर योर स्क्रीन। ईशा मैं आपका प्रोग्राम देख रही हूँ। बहुदीप तब तक अपनी स्क्रीन शेयर करो।
मैं विजिबल?
हाँ, बहुदीप रुको, 1 मिनट, मैं नहीं देख रही तुम्हारी स्क्रीन में। तुम्हारी स्क्रीन दिख रही है मुझे लेकिन अभी मेरा ध्यान उधर नहीं है, रुक जाओ 1 मिनट। ईशा, ये प्रोग्राम चल रहा है क्या? आउटपुट का स्क्रीनशॉट नहीं है? सुशील प्रसाद, सेम क्वेश्चन फॉर यू। मुझे मिल गए सारे। आउटपुट चल रहा है कि नहीं चल रहा है मुझे दिखाओ। बहुदीप, यस, स्टार्ट एंटरिंग द डेटा डियर।
मैम 2 डेटा बहुत है?
नहीं डालो लिंक लिस्ट में। ठीक है, अब 1 डालना, नहीं 0 कर दो। ठीक है, डिस्प्ले में आ गए 1 2 3 4 5, फाइन। अभी इंसर्ट एट द बिगिनिंग करो, उसमें डेटा डालो 0। एंटर योर चॉइस फॉर मोर ओके 1 करो। अभी डिस्प्ले जाओ नंबर 7 0 1 2 3 4 5 ठीक है। अभी वापस से 1 दो और चॉइस ऑफ ऑपरेशन डालो नंबर 2। डेटा एंटर करो 10।
मैम 6 कर दे।
enter the choice for more operation 1। अभी दिक्कत ये होगी कि आप अभी है ना इंसर्ट नोड असेंडिंग कहाँ पे कौन सा नोड डालोगे अभी,
ओके मैम, तो एक बार सेकंड वाला।
इसीलिए 10 बोला था। अभी 1 दो वापस से। अभी नंबर 3 7 8 और अभी डिस्प्ले करो। ठीक है, सही चल रहा है। प्रियांक, आई गॉट रिसीव्ड योर मैसेज टू।
मैम बंद कर दूं?
हाँ यार कोड तो लिखा है लेकिन आउटपुट कहाँ है, चल रहा है कि नहीं चल रहा वो
मैं
important
अब उसका वीडियो भेज के आपको सेंड कर देता हूँ, रुकिए।
वीडियो की मेहनत मत करो, सिर्फ एक स्नैपशॉट लेके मेरे को भेज दो, हो जाएगा। Kef, Yash or Div still there in the session or not? प्रियांक, पूरा प्रोग्राम चलना चाहिए कि नहीं? सिर्फ फर्स्ट लाइन का फोटो लेके मैं क्या करूंगी?
ओके भेजता हूँ।
देव अपनी स्क्रीन शेयर करो। कैफ और यश तो अभी भी जवाब ही नहीं दे रहे। आई डोंट नो वो दोनों कहाँ हैं। देव अपनी स्क्रीन शेयर करो। Okay, students, I'm moving forward now. I don't know. You guys are very, I don't know why you guys are slow today. Generally, I have no complaints like that from C batch, but okay. See, now we are going to move forward with our deletions. Okay, I hope each and every one of you have completed your these three operations. Okay, now see, now what is our aim? Now we want to go and delete our first node. So have a look here. We want to delete this. Okay, I guess I have discussed that. Delete first node. No, we have not. Okay, so if I want to delete this first node, this particular first node I want to delete. Fine. Then what I am going to do is, in that case, I am going to take a PTR pointer, okay, and going to point it towards my head. Okay, so both of them are pointing here. Now, my first step, I'm writing it here, PTR is equals to head. Okay, then after that, I'm going to move my head. So head is equals to head of next. So what this head is going to go? Initially it is pointing at 100. Now it will point here at 180 because that is the value at head of next. Okay. So my head is going to point at 118 here. Fine. Just copy it. Okay, my head is now pointing here. Now what I need to do? Simple, call my free function, pass my pointer PTR in that. Once I do that, this whole thing will get removed. Okay, and this is your linked list. But before this, before doing this, you have to check that your linked list exists. So for that you are going to write an if condition. If head is equal null, that means linked list is not existing. So here you are going to write what? Void. Follow those same steps. Okay, I'm not going and writing it again. Go in your switch case, declare the case, declare this user defined function, delete, begin. Okay, so if head is equal null, then write printf statement. Okay, the relevant printf statement. Otherwise, else, write these steps. PTR is equals to head. Okay, then head is equals to head of next. Okay, and then you're calling a free function for your PTR. बस हो गया, done. This is your delete beginning. I'm keeping that algorithm for you. Here. Once you guys finish it, do tell me. This should not take much of your time. Done? Yes or no? Okay. What about others? Fine. Rest of you? Done or not? Rest of the people. Only 2 people are doing. What about others? Okay. Janvi, I would like to see your working program. कहाँ पे दिखा रहे हो? यहाँ पे या भेज रहे हो दूसरों के साथ फोटोज?
मैम एक्चुअली एरर आ रहा है तो मैं स्क्रीन शेयर करूंगी।
ठीक है, करो। We are going to keep it till here, your session. Okay. एरर क्या आ रही है? एरर लॉग दिखाओ अपनी। व्यू में जाओ, व्यू में। जानवी, व्यू में जाओ। उसमें एक मिनट, अपनी स्क्रीन जूम करो। लैपटॉप से कर रही हो?
यस मैम।
हाँ बस ठीक है, हो गया। टूल्स में जाओ। नहीं वो नहीं, जो मेनू बार में टूल्स है ना उसमें नहीं है। बिल्ड करो अपना 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 प्रोग्राम बिल्ड करो। एक मिनट। ओके जानवी, व्यू में जाओ। उसमें वहां से जाना, पर्सपेक्टिव ऐसा करके कोई है।
यस मैम।
वहां से उसको एनेबल कोड ब्लॉक्स डिफॉल्ट। हाँ अभी फिर से रन करो। कहीं पे लॉग फाइल आई तुम्हारी?
नो मैम।
एरर फाइल की लॉग, क्योंकि ये एरर है वो तो ठीक है, वो तो पता चल गया, लेकिन इसमें क्या एरर है वो।
हाँ पता नहीं, वो पहले आया था, फिर दूसरी बार मैंने फिर किया तो नहीं नहीं आ रहा था।
ऊपर जाओ, सबसे ऊपर। दोनों फंक्शन के नाम सही है?
यस मैम।
नीचे जाओ। जाओ जाओ नीचे जाओ। और न्यू नोड डिक्लेयर किया है कहीं पे? हाँ मतलब किया ही हो, एक मिनट। वो किया ही होगा क्योंकि बाकियों में कहीं पे तो आई डोंट थिंक आ रही है तुम्हें। न्यू नोड पॉइंटर है क्या, चेक करो जानवी। और ये फंक्शन का नाम चेक करो पहले तो। इंसर्ट एट बिगिन, कॉपी करो यहाँ से। इंसर्ट एट बिगिन लाइन नंबर 5 कॉपी करो। पूरा नहीं, सिर्फ नाम। किया? ओके
यस मैम।
अब स्विच केस पे जाओ अपने। वहां पे कॉपी पेस्ट करो। नाम पे डबल क्लिक करना तो वो सिलेक्ट हो जाएगा अपने आप। ऐसे ड्रैग एंड सिलेक्शन नहीं करना पड़ेगा। जाओ वापस नीचे। अभी नाम पे डबल क्लिक करो, पेस्ट कर दो वहां पे। रन करो। रुक जाओ 1 मिनट। व्यू में जाओ और उसमें लॉग्स होंगे, व्यू और लॉग्स। हाँ, उसको एनेबल कर दो। एक्सपैंड करो उस विंडो को, बंद मत करना, एक्सपैंड करो उसको। क्या गड़बड़ की है? मेरे को दिख नहीं रहा है, यहाँ पे क्लियर नहीं है वो मुझे। क्या एरर है? रेड कलर में लिखा हुआ बिफोर समथिंग समथिंग कुछ है।
एक्सपेक्टेड आइडेंटिफायर और ब्रैकेट बिफोर कर्ली ब्रैकेट ओपन करता हूँ।
लाइन नंबर कौन सी है?
107।
जाओ वहां पे। ये वॉइड मेन के अंदर नहीं लिख रहे हो ना, बाहर ही लिख रहे हो आई गेस।
बाहर ही निकलू मैम।
जानवी अपने ये विंडो को बड़ा करके जूम करो। मेरे को लॉग्स कुछ नहीं दिख रहा है, बस 3 रेड लाइंस है, बस इतना ही दिख रहा है। मैं पढ़ कुछ नहीं पा रही उसमें से। बड़ा करो, लंबा नहीं। वाइडन इट। मेरे को फिर भी पढ़ा नहीं जा रहा है, अभी भी नहीं पढ़ पा रही हूँ मैं। दिखाओ 1 मिनट, देखो मेरे को कैसे दिख रहा है ना, वो मैं दिखाती हूँ 1 मिनट। जानवी, मैं अपनी स्क्रीन प्रेजेंट कर रही हूँ, देखो मेरे को ऐसे तुम्हारी स्क्रीन दिख रही है। ऐसी दिख रही है मुझे तुम्हारी स्क्रीन, यहाँ पे मैं कुछ पढ़ नहीं पा रही हूँ। ये एरर क्या है? मुझे कुछ पता नहीं चल रहा। देखो मेरे को ऐसी दिख रही है। जानवी,
यस मैम.
उसका फोटो भेजो तो मेरे व्हाट्सएप पे.
ओके मैम.
ध्यान रखना कि क्लियरली पढ़ पाऊं मैं.
हाँ.
ठीक है. Students, we are keeping our lab session till here. 2 more cases of delete to be seen. Okay, we will see that in your next. We'll continue. Maybe we'll finish it within 45 minutes. So we'll continue with your next practical also. Okay. Thank you all for attending this session.